Guys, since the show is so enormous, I literally can't carry the phone long enough to walk around the lake, so I'm gonna break the video up into pieces. This is the American section here, obviously. We're going to continue walking. I actually ran into this one at Apex Motor Club. It was there just chilling. It wasn't on the track with us, but I saw it there. Look at this one. That's a cool Lincoln. Very cool. Huh. Maybe I'll buy a watch. That looks kind of cool. I like that. I'd love a nice car themed watch. Is that a 350? It's got the 350 stripe, but it looks like it's just a Mustang, but it's pretty cool. There's the GT 350 Hertz. Anybody knows about those? These were rental cars back in the day. You could rent, basically go out and rent a race car. Little track. The Camaro section.